Hey there, Mick. My name is Kimberly with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I was doing some research in the area and came across your website and thought I'd go ahead and shoot this video to give you some tips on how to beat out your competition. Now, and I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either, so I'll keep this short. And by the end of the video, if you like what you've heard and think I could help you further with getting more leads, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. Alright, so the first thing I'd like to go over is website and your content on your website here. So as I kind of scroll through, I really like your logo here. I think it's very clever. As I scroll down, we see you've got these drop-down menus, which is great. That's going to be a great way to squeeze in more content without making it seem wordy. And as we continue to scroll down, I love that you have this form here. Even better would to be having it just a smaller form up here at the top rather than at the bottom. That way people don't even have to scroll through your website to go ahead and drop you a request for an estimate or a quote. But I love that you have it. You've got to step up there. As I scroll through, content in general is going to be those photos as well, how those photos are saved and what's behind the photos. And if we look here, you've actually got a little bit of a step up too, where you've actually got this saved as something more than just a segment of numbers. That's what I end up seeing a lot, is most websites, the pictures aren't even saved as anything. They're just a segment of numbers and that's it. So you do have a leg up there. However, getting these pictures saved as specific keywords is going to help you even more. Alright, so the next thing I'd like to talk to you about is going to be your Google search here. So if I look at a Google search for electrician Iowa City, which is going to be your biggest area where you can get more clients, the very top of the page is going to be Google Ads. Those are people that are paying Google to be at the top of the page, and they're paying per click. Can be a great thing to do, get you some quick leads, but some people will just scroll right past this, or they won't even pay any attention to ads because they've had a bad experience in the past. As I scroll down a bit further, we see here this is the Google Maps section. The biggest thing that will get you to the top of this section, besides of course having it completely filled out, is going to be citations. Now, and what is a citation? A citation is a listing of your business name, phone number, and address in different directories across the web. There's hundreds of directories out there. You just have to know how to find them. And directories are places like Yelp or Angie's List or Home Advisor, Yellow Pages. Those are all directories. The easiest way to find more directories is actually to use a tool and find out what your top competition has for directories or for citations, and get in those same directories and then go out and find even more. Alright, so citations will really help you in this map section, but they also can help you down here in this organic section of a Google search as well. And the way they do that is they actually provide a backlink most often as well. So a backlink is going to be a link from one website back to your website. And backlinks are not all created equal. We'll go over that here in just a moment, but like a citation backlink is a great backlink to have, but it's not going to be the strongest ones out there. There's ones that are even worse than citations. They're really spammy, and there's some that are super strong, like a blog post or a shout out from, say, a supply company in the area saying, hey, Cobra Electric is great, use these guys, and they provide a link to your website. Those would be really strong, great backlinks to have. So as we see here, Girard Electric is your top competitor in the Iowa City area as far as both the map section and the organic section goes. Now in Wire 1, I do know that they're their top competitor here in the map section, but they're not actually in this area. They list this area as a service area, which yes, they'll serve this area, but they don't have an office in this area. As you see, they don't have a directions button. That's because they are not actually having an office in the Iowa City area. They're based out of Des Moines actually, but they do serve this area as well. So, and they've got a real strong website, lots of citations, so they are up here. But we can definitely get them off of this top spot and get you in this top spot if we wanted to. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump over to a tool I like called Ahrefs, and we were just talking about backlinks. So you've got 5 referring domains giving you 14 backlinks. If we click into these referring domains, we'll see where they're coming from. Yahoo, Easy Local, Local Database, Yellow Page City, those are all directories. So those are all from citations. So you do have a few citations out there, and those are the only places that are giving you backlinks currently. So the biggest thing I can say is and recommend to you is to get out there and get more backlinks. If we look over at Girard Electric and their backlinks, they've got 45 referring domains, giving them 238 backlinks. So if you wanted to surpass Girard Electric in the Iowa City area as far as your ranking in a Google search goes, my recommendation is to get about 100 more backlinks than what they have. And that's really going to make it so that you can beat them out of the water. If we jump back over here to that Google search, electrician Iowa City is that keyword that I used. And if we look throughout your website, I'm not really seeing electrician Iowa City. As I go through even all of these tabs, I'm not finding that as a keyword that you have on your website at all. However, if I go back to overview here in Ahrefs, we're going to see your organic keywords. You've got 18. If I click into these, we're going to see where you're ranking for those keywords that you do have. So if we look here, I do see we have electrician Iowa City is here. And that electrician Iowa City, the reason I'm using that is because it's got a high volume. It's got 450 searches that people are doing for that keyword per month. You are currently in position 44 for that keyword. So that actually puts you clear back on the 5th page of a Google search, and that's giving you just not even a click a month. Maybe 1 click a year is what you're getting being clear back on that 5th page. If we can get you into that very top position, which is completely doable, you'll actually end up seeing 1/3 of this volume in traffic to your website. Now, how many leads, how many clients would you land with, getting another 100 clicks to your website per month? So that's really something that I find that could be really improved with your website, getting more backlinks, more citations. All of that is going to help you so much. If we jump over to Girard Electric and see where they're sitting, we did see them on that front page, as I kind of showed you on that front page of the site here. So they're in position 5. So they're on that front page, but they're a little lower down, and they're still getting 33 clicks to their website for just that keyword per month. So that's something that you're really missing out on. You're missing out on so much traffic to your website, and your website is not bad. It's definitely a decent website. You just need more content on it so that you can get ranked for those keywords. 1,500 to 2,000 words is typically what I recommend per page, and I know that seems like a lot and seems like it could get wordy, but you actually already have one of the tricks that I use, and that's these drop downs here. That's not actually another page, so it still counts as far as content on this page goes, and that can really help you make it so that it's not as wordy. All right, Mick, this has been a joy to kind of go through and find ways that I can help your business, or that you can help your business for yourself if you'd prefer. I am here to help if you'd like, though, and my name is Kimberly, and my phone number is 319-600-6189. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this informational, and thanks again. You have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.